Good morning, everybody. Interesting topics we have this morning here on the carbon side, and we're switching gears a bit now to sustainability and supply chain. My name is Dominik Stein. I'm a partner with EQT. Been with the firm for a while and have most recently helped build our growth fund, which helps leading European entrepreneurs scale their businesses. So we as EQT invest typically 50 to 250 million euros to help scale up, so a bit beyond the startup stage, to expand typically globally and really build out their platforms. One of our recent investments was in integritynext, which Martin will present. We're very excited because we think the market around sustainability in the supply chain has huge tailwinds. And Martin, as a serial entrepreneur, has built a great team to really build out integritynext. And we are supporting where we can with the help of the EQT platform. Having said that, over to you, Martin.
Thank you, Dominik. Yes, let me introduce integritynext to you. My name is Martin Berr-Sorokin. I'm founder and CEO of integritynext. And integritynext is a B2B SaaS company based in Munich, Germany. And we help our customers to drive sustainable supply chains. So we have 400 plus customers as of today, and we have a huge supplier network on our platform with more than 1.5 million suppliers, and we cover also more than 200 countries worldwide with our platform. And we focus on 37 major ESG topics, which I present later. So let's say there is a global trend, and the global trend says more and more regulatory around supply chain, sustainability, due diligence act, supply chain acts. So it's really a global trend, and companies are more and more challenged to fulfill all these requirements, right? They're usually some are already experts, a lot of them are not experts, but for companies it's really a big challenge to comply with these supply chain laws. So what is it about? So there's the environmental piece, and let's say from carbon footprint to science-based targets, energy management, pollution, waste management, you name it. Then we have the social piece with child labor, forced labor, conflict minerals, and of course the governance piece. So all these we cover in our platform. All these we analyze the suppliers, that they comply with regulatory and with the standards of our customers. So in the past, we know code of conducts which companies sent to their suppliers, and they had to sign it. But in the past, it was not really a deep dive. So it was really just on the surface, and most companies just looked at their strategically important suppliers, top spend suppliers, but they didn't go through their whole supply base, and they didn't go through their supply chain. And they just got a kind of confirmation. And this is not enough today anymore. So regulatories request really to go into the details of the supplier when it comes to ESG, into the details when it comes to the supply chains. So our platform, which we founded in 2016, really was built to get full transparency. So really, our platform is scalable. Our platform can handle 10,000s of suppliers for a single customer, and due to this network and platform approach, customers can even share data about those suppliers. So as soon as a supplier is already registered on our platform, new customers can benefit from the already registered suppliers and their profiles and all the data we collected about them. So what are our customers doing with it? They're doing the supply chain laws. They are doing all the non-financial reporting, like ESRS, for example, and they also drive decarbonization in their supply chains. And when we look at this example here, the supply chain, the scope 3, in terms of emissions, has really the highest level. So the company itself, the products of the company, fine, but the big lever comes via the supply chain. So, and it's like with the spend, right? So the big spend is into the supply chain, so the big carbon emissions are in the supply chain. So get our arms around the supply chain in terms of decarbonization, it's a big step forward. So what are we doing in terms of decarbonization? We are doing the corporate carbon footprint of the companies, as well as the product carbon footprint of the companies. And then companies, our customers, can set their targets, measure against their targets, and drive decarbonization in their supply chain. So who works with us? So actually we have customers across, let's say, all industries, yeah? So mainly automotive, chemicals, electronics are very strong. Also financial services is very strong. MedTech is strong. Manufacturing, packaging. So it's really across the industries, and we have an industry approach. So I think we have quite some well-known brands already among our customers. And with the help of EQT, we really built a great board, which once again helps us scaling the company. So also this year we will do 100% plus in growth in terms of ARR, and we are profitable. So it's, yeah, also from the business side, it's fun. That's it. Integrity Next. Thank you.